Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix when you're unable to install version 22H2 on your Windows 11 computer, and if you're receiving this error, that is 0x80888002. So if you're receiving this error code, then please follow the steps shown in this video. So copy this command. This command is provided in the video description. So copy this and then type in CMD in Windows search box, and then make a right click on command prompt app, then click on run as administrator. Make sure that you're opening command prompt as an administrator. Click on yes to allow. Now paste the command over here, hit the enter key. Now if you receive any kind of error message, in that case you can run this command, copy this command and then paste it on the same window, hit the enter key. So either you run this command and then restart your computer, and after the system restart try to update your Windows 11, but still you're facing the problem. In that case you can run this command, and then after you run this command, then restart your computer, and after the system restart try to update your Windows 11, and you should not receive this error message again. But still you are unable to update. In that case, copy this link. The link is provided in the video description. Open this link in a browser. It will take you to Microsoft website. Here you can see Windows 11 installation assistant. Click on download now and then run this exe file. Click on yes to allow. This will load Windows 11 installation assistant. Click on accept and install, and then update your Windows 11. But still you are unable to update. In that case you can use media creation tool to update your Windows 11. Go to this website. Here also you will find media creation tool. Click on download now and then run this exe file. Click on yes to allow. Now this will load Windows 11 media creation tool. Now click on accept. By default Windows 11 would be selected. Click on next. Select ISO file, then click on next. You can save the location. You can set the location as desktop and then click on save over here. Now once the download is complete, click on finish and then go to desktop, find Windows ISO file, make a double click on Windows ISO file, then run the setup file, make a double click on setup file, click on yes to allow. This will load Windows 11 now, and here you can see install Windows 11. Click on next. It will check for update, then click on accept. Again it will check for update. Now before the installation you will see the screen which says ready to install, and by default the option to keep personal files and app would be checked. When this is checked you will not lose any data on the computer. Click on install. After the installation, log into your computer. So one of the steps shown in this video should help you to get rid of this error, and you should be able to install this version. So that'll be all. Thank you so much for your time, and please like this video and subscribe to my channel.